with California RV Specialist, and today we're going to be talking about the Camco Recurve R3 weight distribution hitch. This is your typical round bar style weight distribution hitch, but one thing that is pretty obviously different is the bars go in the top, and we are able to do that because the saddles are captured. It's not like your typical chain style or friction saddle where there is movement in the connection point. All the movement is done in the head assembly itself. This allows a completely unique design for sway control. There is brake pad material that is inside the head here, and with the tool that is supplied with the weight distribution hitch, you are able to turn on as much sway as you feel necessary. The hitch assembly itself also uses micro adjustment wheel versus your typical washers. This allows you to really dial in the pitch point that you need for the head. So here we're going to give you an up-close demonstration of how easy this system is to take in and out. This also shows you what we're talking about by captured saddle. As you see here, this is all locked in place. So this is pinned. Push button on the back here, the pin comes out. These are tethered to the saddle so they will not get lost. Your bar is designed specifically to make pivoting of this in and out easy. There is holes in the front of here to match the pin on the bar. You are going to line this up in here and go ahead and pull this gentleman down. Once it is out, you are going to walk the bar back and take the bar out. And putting it back together is reverse process. You're going to go ahead, drop that gentleman in, bring it all the way forward. Now, instead of disconnecting at the rear, you are going to reconnect at the front. Bar is going to go in the front hole. You are lining up here. Go ahead and lift this all the way in place. Once it's in, take your pin, press the lever inside, and you are locked and loaded. These are currently going for $499.99 with about an hour installation of $175. Give us a call, get your schedule for installation. Thank you.